Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, you will learn how to set up a simple squeeze page funnel inside Cheetah. First, let's take a look at the squeeze page funnel blueprint. As you can see, traffic will enter into your squeeze page. Here is where you will capture the information first in exchange for access to valuable content that is located on your thank you page. Now, this page is super important because it has to deliver on the promise of valuable content that will leave your site visitors wanting more. If done successfully, your site visitors will look forward to taking you up on your call to action button where they can make a purchase or enter into your next funnel. Now let's go take a look at the pages inside Cheetah. Alright, so we're inside Cheetah and we're at our squeeze page funnel website here, or our funnel. And the home page represents the squeeze page, and then you also have a thank you page. So it's just two simple pages. Now let's go into the editor and take a look. Now here we are at the squeeze page. Now you can add some more information or change this up to your liking, but the main purpose is to be able to capture their information here up front and then take them to the valuable information or free content that you promised. Now this page here is a panel that you can simply grab from going to Add, selecting Panels, and then going down to Squeeze Page, and there you go. It'll pull something very similar to this, where you can actually go in and change the colors to your liking. Now, once someone goes in and enters their information, they'll be taken to the thank you page where they will receive value. But first, to set this up, you have to right-click on this form. Make sure that you set your list. Here are different mailing lists that I've created inside Mailing Ball. So we're going to go ahead and just select Email Marketing. Go ahead and select Save. Next, what we want to do is set the link. So once they click on the Get Access button, where do we want to redirect them? We can simply select here, go to Page, and for this example, we're going to go ahead and go to Thank You. And once the subscription is confirmed, you can go in here, select the page again. Again, we're going to select Thank You. And I'm not too concerned about the unsubscribe confirm. So we're going to go ahead and select Save. Now next, let's go up here, select Thank You. Okay, so here we are at your thank you page. Now, just as I mentioned earlier, the first thing you're going to want to do is maybe thank your customers for subscribing and then deliver the value. Remember, on the first page where they landed, they were promised valuable content, and you want to make sure that you live up to that expectation by providing a valuable video or a free download, just enough to get them to learn more or want to learn more about you, your products, and your services by going down to the bottom here and clicking on your call to action. So for this example, we have next step. What is the next step? Is it taking them to a product that you're selling them, or is it taking them to your next funnel? And that is how you set up a simple squeeze page funnel inside Cheetah. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.